make cool presentation animation like this. First go to Inset, then go to Smart Art. Choose Cycle and select this basic pie. Now let's add some shape into this. Now convert this Smart Art into shape. Let's ungroup the shape. Now select all these shapes and align the middle and center. Let's remove the outline of these shapes. Now draw a circle. Adjust the circle at the middle of the shape. Now duplicate the circle 6 times. Now select all of them. Then align the middle and center. Now first select the shape, then select the circle. Go to the marged shape and choose to subtract. Repeat for the process for the other shapes. Now select all of them and change the color. Again, select all the shapes and make the shapes smaller so that they can look like separate shapes. Let's add some icons to the shapes. Change the icon color to white. Let's adjust the position of the icons. Select the icon and the shape, then adjust the middle and center. Now select all of them and make them group. Align the group to the middle and center. Now duplicate the slide, then go to the first slide and ungroup the shapes. Then go to the second slide. Select the shape and drag the shape to left. Let's make the shape smaller. Now rotate the shape. Rotate the icons. Then ungroup the shape. Let's add morph transition to it. Now duplicate the slide and go to the next slide. Now select all the shapes and make them group. Now rotate the group like this. Now select this shape and rotate this icon. Then ungroup the shape. Now select this shape and increase its size, then adjust like this. Again, duplicate the second slide and repeat the same process as the third slide. Then repeat the same process for the rest of slides. Let's add some text into our slide. Now go to the third slide. Select all the text and picture, make them group. Now copy the group and paste it into the previous slide. Then drag the group shape outside of the slide. Now repeat the same process for the other slides. Now select all the slide, then apply the morph transition into them. And set transition duration 1 second for all slides. For custom presentation design, contact link in bio.